feels so dark and dim, and the rain falls so fresh and clear. It makes me think of you again, of the days when we were still together. You slept close upon my chest. We promised to love forever and never part. Why do the stars shine so white above? Yet in my home you are not here, my love. My heart aches so deeply within. Though your mother tore our love apart, please don't hate me for what happened. I am the body and you are my soul. The leaves of vine sway and whisper. The cicadas and crickets cry in sorrow. My heart sings softly, calling only you. Wherever you are, do you know that I still miss you? If you will never come back to love me, let me die and be gone. I'll go dwell in the spirit world. At the 9 crossroads I'll gaze afar. While you live in this human world, with a broken heart and weary soul, let's see how happy your life can be. Cicadas and crickets cry in sorrow. My heart sings softly, calling only you. Wherever you are, do you know that I still miss you? If you will never come back to love me, let me die. I'll go dwell in the spirit world. At the 9 crossroads I'll gaze afar. While you live in this human world, with a broken heart and weary soul, let's see how happy your life can